Ron Cooks here with Infinite Client. Wanted to dispel something or some myths about the business of real estate, particularly to the brand new agents out there. So stick with me for a second, hang out with me, and I hope the pearls of wisdom I share with you will work for you. Hi, Ron Cooks here once again with Infinite Client. The job that we have as real estate agents is vast. There's a lot of things and there's a lot of moving pieces that we have to consider. But what a lot of people don't think about is there are entire industries that work on every single facet of our job. For example, if you are a closing coordinator, there are $1 million industries that's created for that. Lead generation. Billions of dollars are invested in that. Showing agents, listing agents, the number of tasks that we do is infinite. And for each of those tasks, there is an industry for it. What we attempt to do is do all of that and become a master of it all. Close to impossible. And then why would you want to do that? It's a lot of work. So what I ask you to do is break out the many roles that's being played into that and concentrate and focus on one. Now, granted, you are the CEO of your organization and you are one of one. You're the employee, you're the buying specialist, you're the listing agent, you're the contractor close coordinator. You're all of those roles. You wear many hats. I got it. I understand that. And it's hard to avoid when you're coming in fresh because this is that. But if your mindset now is that of, okay, I know there are a lot of things that I have to do, but let me get good at one of them first. Let me get good at prospecting and lead conversion. Let me get good at being a buyer's agent. Let me get good at being a listing agent while keeping these other plates spinning as far as our business is concerned. But then concentrate on that one field. And then when your business gets to the point that you can hire folks to take care of some of that stuff or take it off of your plate, then absolutely. Here's the advantage. In doing that, you'll know exactly what you need to do because you've covered all of the jobs in your organization and you know how you want it to run. You're just having somebody step in and take that load off of you. So that's okay to do that. But concentrate on the one task that you favor the most. Not ignore the other tasks because there's still work to be done, but concentrate on that one task so that you can be very, very proficient at it. And as your career goes on, if you decide that there is another facet of this thing that you enjoy, then you can move on to that. But you would have at least mastered that one task. And mastering that one task is fantastic. So Bruce Lee had a quote, something to the effect of, I would rather have one kick 1,000 times than 1,000 different kicks, or something to that nature. But the whole thing to that is his focus on one thing and getting good at one thing. And that's what I ask of you. Get good at that one thing. Focus on that one thing in your business, knowing that there are many businesses that goes on under the umbrella of our organization. All right, just a couple of words for you, just something for you to think about, just dropping that seed with you. All right, this is Ron Cooks once again with Infinite Client. Like, subscribe, do all of the things that we ask you all to do for our channels. So please do that. Support me so I can get more content, more information out to you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.